You know what I'm more pissed about than my truck getting broke into and vandalized and a fire started? Is my brand new golf shoes got burnt up. Dang. How am I gonna play golf tomorrow? Dang it. Well, they kind of look cool, brown. I ain't even mad anymore. I just got that bad of luck. I ain't even mad. Like, this is funny. Texas Tire, y'all better take care of me on this. Y'all got my truck getting some tires rotated, and I told them to park it inside, and they didn't. Told that guy, he's like, oh, it'll be okay. We got video footage of two guys running up here, throwing a diesel jug in the console. And good thing it was diesel, not gas, because the gas pumps looks like weren't working. They went and got diesel, and they threw it. And golly. Well, looks like we're doing a cab swap. We're putting the C30 on the any level. Is that what we need to do? C30 on the any level.